Water in the Atmosphere quiz. Lesson 2, the atmosphere around you. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. The process of liquid water changing into a gas, water vapor, caused by heat from the sun is evaporation, condensation, or precipitation. Number 2, a measure of the amount of water vapor in the air, dew, the sun, or humidity. Number 3, the process in which water is evaporated from the leaves of plants is called precipitation, condensation, or transpiration. Number 4, any form of water that falls from clouds and reaches Earth's surface, so rain, snow, sleet, or hail, is evaporation, condensation, or precipitation. Number 5, the process of water vapor cooling in the atmosphere, sticking to the other droplet, and changing into a liquid in the form of a cloud is called evaporation, condensation, or fog. Number 6, the continuous process by which water moves from Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back again is called precipitation, transpiration, or the water cycle. Number 7, both energy from the sun and blank drives the water cycle: gravity, air pressure, inertia, or wind. Number 8, which stage of the water cycle is being illustrated at letter B? So letter B is right here. Is that evaporation, condensation, or precipitation? Number 9, which stage of the water cycle is being illustrated at letter C? So that's right over here. Is that evaporation, condensation, or precipitation? Number 10, which stage of the water cycle is being illustrated at letter D, which is down below here? Condensation, precipitation, or runoff/collection? Number 11, which process of the water cycle is being illustrated in this image? Evaporation, transpiration, or condensation? Number 11, the image shows tiny droplets of water on the outside of a cold bottle. The process of the droplets forming here is called evaporation, condensation, or precipitation.